Hello, my name is Lee and my channel is Lee Work at Home. Welcome and thank you for joining me today. I am not presenting job opportunities today, but I am presenting you with necessary skills and tools that we all need as customer service representatives. We need them especially now since more representatives are working from home during COVID-19. Customer service is both a type of job and a set of job skills. As a job, customer service professionals are responsible for addressing customer needs and ensuring they have a good experience. As a skill set, customer service entails several qualities such as active listening, empathy, problem solving, and communication. Customer service skills are the set of behaviors you rely on when interacting with a customer. They can also be useful when following up after an initial conversation. For example, if you work as a virtual assistant for a technology company, you may need to help customers troubleshoot problems with their devices. To accomplish this, you will likely use several different skills, such as communication. You will need to be responsive in a timely manner. You will need to communicate with them in a clear, easy-to-understand way to solve the problem. Empathy. Your interactions may begin with someone who is frustrated or unhappy. It is important that you understand and identify with the feelings of others. And be sure to communicate accordingly. Patience is important. Clients and customers might ask several questions, be unhappy or may ask you to repeat instructions several times. Patience is important to keep the conversation on track, remain personable and provide a positive experience. Technical knowledge. To effectively solve problems, you will likely need to know a bit of technical or industry knowledge to help them resolve the issue at hand. Customer service is used in many jobs at every level. To succeed in a customer service role, you'll need a variety of communication skills and personal attributes such as active listening, how to handle conflict resolution, having empathy, nonverbal communication such as body language and eye contact, negotiation skills, organizational skills, and professionalism. Depending on the position you choose, you may also need additional industry-specific knowledge and training. Practicing your soft skills can help you find positions that transfer across industries. Soft skills are any skill or quality that can be classified as a personality trait or habit. There are many soft skills that you could list on your resume or cover letter. Some of the most sought-after soft skills include effective communication skills, teamwork, dependability, adaptability, conflict resolution, flexibility, leadership, problem solving, research, creativity, work ethic, and integrity. Customer service skills are traits and practices that equip you to address customer needs and foster a positive experience. In general, customer service skills rely heavily on problem solving and communication. Customer service is often considered a soft skill, including traits like active listening and reading both verbal and nonverbal cues. While traditionally you might think of customer care as a service from a business to a consumer, it is also applicable within a business. For example, you may be in a role that provides services to other, internal teams. In this case, you would want to ensure that you understood and were able to meet their needs. I hope that this information will help job seekers with a better understanding of the customer service industry and the type of candidates companies are looking to hire. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified with more important information when searching for work from home.